Suzanne Rogers speaks out the battle behind the camera. Suzanne Rogers has been a household name in American homes for more than 50 years. She left behind a legacy of warmth, grace, and courage in her roles as Maggie Horton on Days of Our Lives. However, the 82-year-old actress has been silently battling her own real-life conflict off-screen, which has put her spirit to the test more than any plot could. Rogers' diagnosis of stage 2 colon cancer earlier this year was a game-changer. It started with little symptoms, nothing concerning, just a nagging sense that something wasn't quite right. She followed her gut and went to her doctor, who prescribed a battery of tests. Rogers heard the word that no one liked to hear when the results were in: "You have cancer." The actress then acknowledged that she was taken aback by the revelation. She struggled to comprehend for a few days. In a recent interview, she stated, "You take care of yourself, you do everything right, and still something like this finds you." But after the first shock subsided, she handled it with bravery and elegance, just as she handled every obstacle. Suzanne started a 6-week course of radiation and chemotherapy right away because of Days of Our Lives was taking a break from filming. She adds she was fortunate to have time off the set to concentrate on her health. Even if the procedure was mentally and physically taxing, she said, "It gave me space to heal and realize how much I still wanted to live." Rogers relied on her closest friends and her Days family during her treatment. She received visits, dinner, and even hospital appointments from the other cast members. Being a cancer survivor herself, one co-star became a frequent source of support, demonstrating that the drama in front of the camera can be just as strong as the compassion shown behind the scenes. Rogers claims she was lucky to avoid some of the more noticeable adverse effects despite the severity of the treatment. She didn't lose her hair since her chemotherapy was administered as pills, which made her feel more like herself while she recovered. "Even when everything else feels uncertain, it's the little things that give you confidence," she remarked. Suzanne finished her last round of treatment on July 31st. She has been gradually regaining her strength and spirit ever since. Even though she acknowledges that some days are more difficult than others, she is optimistic and grateful for the love she has received from admirers who have followed her work for decades, in addition to her improving health. Suzanne swiftly put an end to rumors that she could leave Days of Our Lives. Her character Maggie Horton will remain on screen and she's not quitting the show. "I'll be Maggie as long as I can walk and talk," she said, her signature sense of humor still evident. Beyond her personal narrative, Suzanne Rogers' candor serves as a warning to everyone to pay attention to your health. Take routine checkups seriously and never undervalue the importance of early detection. She hopes that by sharing her story, others may be inspired to get help as soon as possible. After playing one of the most enduring characters on daytime television for 50 years, Rogers has evolved into something even more powerful. A living representation of grace, resiliency, and the quiet bravery required to confront life's most difficult situations.